26 November 2008. Mumbai was under attack. Terrorists entered the city. Hotels like Taj, Oberoi were attacked. Railway stations were targeted. More than 160 people lost their lives. But let me ask you something very important. Did Mumbai stop after that? Did India collapse? Did Mumbai real estate prices become half? No. In fact, Mumbai kept growing, and even today, the similar story is happening here in Dubai. Many investors are panicking because of the regional tensions happening in between the Middle East. People are saying Dubai ka real estate market to crash ho jayega, prices half ho jayenge. But history tells us something very different. Let me show you today the exact comparison which I wanted to show you guys about what scenario we have seen earlier and what could be the scenario in the future here in Dubai. 26/11 was one of the worst terrorist attack India has ever seen, and it shook the entire country. People thought tourism will collapse, investments will stop, businesses will shut down, but the opposite happened. Mumbai kept on growing. Why? Because strong cities don't fall because of one such event. Mumbai was still India's financial capital, home to the stock market, hub of multinational companies, center for business and finance. So investors did not abandon Mumbai. Instead, they continued investing. Today, look at the numbers. Property prices in the areas of Mumbai like Lower Parel, Bandra, Powai, BKC have multiplied several times from 2008. The city never stopped. It became stronger because economic engines don't shut down overnight. Now fast forward to today. Because of the regional tensions in between the Middle East, many investors are asking questions like, should we wait? Is Dubai real estate market gonna fall? Maybe prices will become half. But here is the reality. Dubai today is one of the strongest real estate markets in the entire world. According to the data from Dubai Land Departments and the platforms like DXB Interact, these numbers show something which is altogether different than what people are saying right now. In 2025 alone, over 215,000 transactions were recorded. Total sales reached up to 686 billion dirhams. This is the highest in Dubai's history. And in January 2026, more than 16,900 transactions were recorded. That shows the market still had the momentum to keep on going. So the market is not slowing, it is basically expanding. Here is something most people don't understand. Dubai's real estate market is mostly off-plan driven. Here's what it means. When you buy a property in Dubai, those off-plan properties are supposed to get handed over in next 3 to 4 years of time. And these transactions are total of 65 to 75% of the transactions from the total. This means developers already have construction timelines, payment plans and handover schedules spanning several years. So even if temporary geopolitical tensions happen today, the projects will still be delivered years later, which means market never react emotionally like stock markets do. People often assume that the market is slowing down, but the data always shows something opposite. Healthy Dubai market often sees around 1,200 to 2,000 transactions every single week, and billions of dirhams of transactions, properties continues to sell regularly. Even today, off-plan dominates. International investors are still investing heavily and developers are continuously launching their projects because Dubai is not just a city, it's a global capital hub. Another important point, people watching the news sometimes misinterprets that UAE's life has been disrupted, but the reality on the ground is altogether different. Everything is functioning normally, airports are operating, offices are running, malls are full, metros are functioning. In fact, Dubai International Airport is expected to handle more than 100 million passengers by the end of 2026, making it one of the busiest airports in the entire world. That tells you something. Global travel, tourism and business activity in Dubai are still booming. Investors from India, UK, USA, Singapore are buying in properties in Dubai because of these reasons. UAE is one of the safest countries. Abu Dhabi was ranked 9 times consecutively being the safest city in the world. Number 2, government policies. The government over here is long-term with strong vision and pro-investors. Golden visa program, investor residency, and strong regulation gives confidence to the investors. And number 3, tax advantage. No property tax, no capital gain tax, strong rental yield. Many investors say, I will buy the property when the price falls below 50%. But history shows something. The people who wait for the perfect moment, they often miss the opportunities lying in front of them. The people who invest with conviction, they benefit the most. Just like Mumbai 26/11, New York 9/11 and London after financial crisis, strong cities recover fastly and sometimes they even grow faster afterwards. So if you're an NRI sitting in maybe New York, London, Singapore, Toronto and you're thinking about Dubai real estate market, don't make your decisions based on fear. Look at the fundamentals. Dubai has today record transactions, futuristic infrastructure growth, many businesses are coming to UAE to expand, global investors, strong population growth and a long-term infrastructure projects spanning up till 2040 and the 2033 economic agenda, which guarantees you that the economy of UAE, the GDP of UAE is going to get doubled by 2033. And most importantly, this all has been planned by government for 20 to 30 years coming. Just like Mumbai didn't stop after 26/11, even Dubai will not stop because of such temporary regional tensions. Sometimes the biggest opportunity appears when the others are waiting on the sidelines. If you want real data on Dubai real estate transactions, or you wanted to understand what is exactly happening in the market, feel free to reach out. We as Roadies Realtors are present here on the ground to help you guys understand what exactly is happening in the situation here in UAE and how you can benefit from the situation by making the perfect investment in one of the biggest cities and the growing cities of the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.